On behalf of Amanda and Kyle, I'd like to thank you all for being here this afternoon. Amanda and Kyle have asked you to be here today to show you a glimpse of an important piece of their love. Whenever we attend a wedding, we are given the opportunity to reflect upon our own relationships. We might look at the couple before us and to be tempted to compare the quality of their love to the quality of our own relationships. The truth is that every relationship is as unique as the individuals in it. But one thing holds true. For love to exist between two people, each person must allow the vulnerability of giving his or her love to the other, and each must be open to receiving the other's love in return.
Kyle and I were each other's first friends in life. We made a lifetime memories together. Now some may be a little blurry, but I'll blame Mr. Jameson for that. Kyle met Amanda while they were in high school. We couldn't separate these two. We still can't. Found happiness with her. She found it with him. Amanda has been a part of our family ever since. I could not see my brother with a better woman today. Good job, Kyle.
Amanda and Kyle, may your life together be blessed with prosperity and good health. May you also share open and honest communication between each other. May you cherish the home and family you will now create together. May all the years to come be filled with moments to celebrate and renew your love. Amanda and Kyle, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
If you can weather a storm. And if 2020 has proven anything, it is that love indeed does conquer all.